If at all you see a lady or part of her body, that doesn't mean we are inviting you to stare or to be with us. It's we are feeding the kid. The Grihalakshmi campaign was about normalizing breastfeeding or normalizing public breastfeeding because it never, these days ladies go out and things like that, and when they had a situation, when they have a situation to feed their child outside, you might not find feeding rooms everywhere. You cannot, like you go everywhere, like you cannot go to only places that has feeding rooms with your baby, right? You are going everywhere if you are an independent female. This campaign was all about believing your own body, believing your own self. You don't have to bother about what others think about what you are doing or what they think about your own body. It's your body, it's your kid, it's your thing. Do it without fear. That was the main intention of the campaign actually. All these controversies happened because it was about open breastfeeding, not about breastfeeding. So basically it was about, even if at all you see a lady or part of her body, that doesn't mean we are inviting you to stare or to be with us. We are feeding the kid. That particular organ is not only about sexualizing. At the age of 18, I somehow started working as a cabin crew with RAK Airways. So I am very close to my family and I'm very, very attached to my father. So he passed away last year. So I quit the job. I came back to Kerala, and I was doing few movies and writings and things like that. I was traveling around. So Grihalakshmi breastfeeding campaign's photographer was my friend. So randomly he was texting me saying that they're going to conduct a campaign for normalizing breastfeeding. So they were looking for a face. I didn't had a second thought about it, because personally I believe that how can somebody's entire life change by a picture, right? All these problems wouldn't have happened if our society was so pure with its belief and culture, right? So things has to change, and things will slowly change, but start from yourself. Start believing your own body. That is all what I have to say as a model who became the face of the campaign.